Are you overwhelmed by the complexities of legal assistance? In today's fast-paced world, accessing legal help can be a daunting task. But what if there was a revolutionary way to simplify this process? Meet Judicate, the AI-driven solution that's transforming legal assistance. Ready to discover how Judicate can make a difference in your life? Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this. First up, Judicate's AI-powered case outcome predictor. This powerful tool analyzes historical legal data to predict the likely outcomes of your case. Imagine having a crystal ball that helps you make informed decisions. Intriguing, right? But that's just the beginning. Judicate's pro bono lawyer matching algorithm connects you with pro bono legal professionals based on your specific needs and location. Imagine free legal support tailored just for you. A game changer, especially when nearly 70% of people avoid legal action due to cost concerns. Next, we have the automated legal document review feature. Simply upload your contracts and agreements and let AI do the heavy lifting. It identifies errors and suggests improvements, helping you avoid legal pitfalls. Considering that 40% of small businesses suffer from poorly drafted documents, this is a lifesaver. But wait, there's more. Judicate offers step-by-step legal guides that break down complex issues into easy-to-follow instructions, perfect for anyone who's ever felt lost in legal jargon. And for instant answers to your burning legal questions, there's the AI-powered chat support system. No more waiting forever for a response. In today's fast-paced world, timely information is everything. Lastly, there's the document automation tool. Generate customized legal documents effortlessly, save time, and reduce your reliance on expensive legal consultations. All these features make Judicate a comprehensive, accessible, and user-friendly solution for individuals and small businesses seeking affordable legal help. By bridging the gap between complex legal processes and user-friendly technology, Judicate empowers you and promotes greater legal literacy in our community. Ready to revolutionize your legal experience? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome